Okay, let's dive in. Just picture this for a second. Nearly everything you own, maybe your phone, the coffee you had this morning, 90% of that stuff, it probably got to you by sea.
It's an incredible statistic, really highlights the scale we're talking about. Global maritime trade.
Exactly. And it's this, historically grown industry. It's been around forever, basically. But then COVID hit, and suddenly, bam, huge problems surfaced. Supply chains just seized up, shortages everywhere.
Yeah.
And even finding enough skilled workers became a real issue.
Yeah, it really exposed some cracks in the system and made it clear something needed to change, some kind of innovation.
And that innovation, maybe surprisingly for some, turned out to be AI. Artificial intelligence sort of came to the rescue.
It really did, or at least it started offering some powerful solutions.
Absolutely. So that's our mission today. We're going to deep dive into how AI is actually practically transforming the maritime world. Expect some surprising facts, maybe debunk a few myths.
And hopefully give you a shortcut to understanding this sector that, honestly, most people don't think about much, but it's so vital.
So where is AI making the biggest splash first?
Well, one of the really tangible areas is intelligent automation in shipyards. Think streamlining processes, ship modeling, welding, assembly.
Right.
Companies like Siemens, Meyer-Werft, even Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, they're already using AI, not just software, but hardware too.
Hardware like robots doing the welding.
Exactly. And software that optimizes how materials flow through the yard, predicts when machines need maintenance. You can even have sections of the shipyard running almost entirely automatically, lights out manufacturing, essentially.
Wow. Okay, so automating the build. What about under the water? I heard talk about deep sea mining.
Yeah, that's another fascinating frontier. It sounds a bit like sci-fi, doesn't it?
It really does. AI exploring the seabed.
But it's happening. You've got AI-powered autonomous vehicles searching the ocean floor for rare minerals. We need those for, batteries, electronics. There are specific projects like the EU's Robust Initiative or Impossible Metals with their Eureka robots using AI vision. And the U.S. has the Makanu project mapping the seabed.
And the AI helps. How? Finding the minerals.
Finding them, yes, but also guiding the extraction very precisely. The goal is minimal interference. Avoiding stirring up huge sediment plumes, surgical precision almost.
Okay, minimal environmental impact. That's crucial. So from mining to building, is AI changing how ships are even designed in the first place?
Definitely. Think about computer-aided design, CAD systems. The AI-fueled versions are learning from decades of human designs.
Learning? How so?
They analyze vast amounts of data, what worked, what didn't, subtle hydrodynamic efficiencies maybe a human would miss. They can spot these correlations.
So it's pattern recognition on a massive scale.
Exactly. So the AI can generate basic ship layouts, figure out complex piping and cable runs, much faster than a human could alone. It boosts precision, cuts down errors.
It makes shipbuilding more affordable, I guess.
That's the idea. Better collaboration, faster design iterations, lower costs.
Okay, so faster design, automated building. What about actually sailing the ships? Navigation must be a big one.
Huge. Inefficient routes waste incredible amounts of fuel. Bad for business, bad for the planet.
Right.
So AI software crunches enormous data sets, ship tracking data, weather patterns, even maintenance logs to figure out the optimal path in real time.
And it spots when a ship is going off course.
Yeah. Detects deviations, suggests corrections. There was a study, Orca AI did one in 2024. It estimated this tech could cut carbon emissions by 47 million metric tons a year.
47 million tons. That's massive.
And it's not just emissions. The same study suggested it could lower the risk of collisions by about 33%. Safer seas, too.
Safer and greener. That leads me to think about, weather. We all remember that ship stuck in the Suez Canal in 2021. Weather played a role there.
It absolutely did. High winds, a perfect and very costly example of why accurate weather prediction is critical.
So how is AI improving forecasts for ships?
It goes beyond standard forecasts. AI systems digest historical data, current reports, complex ocean currents, satellite imagery, looking for patterns that signal danger.
So it can give more specific, real-time warnings.
Precisely. Allowing for road adjustments on the fly. IBM did a project on this in Brazil in 2023. NOAA, the U.S. agency, is investing heavily in AI for better forecast models. Even major ports like Rotterdam are using AI for predictive weather analytics.
It sounds incredibly powerful.
Yeah.
But all this automation, optimization, it brings up the human question, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What about jobs?
That's definitely a major point of discussion. and concern.
Yeah, I remember reading about that dock worker strike on the U.S. East Coast, October 2024. Automation was a big part of that conversation.
It was, and it's a valid concern, but experts like Oliver Andreas Lashinsky's at the Institute of Northern European Economic Research offer some perspective.
Okay, what's his take?
He emphasizes that, right now at least, AI in maritime is primarily a supportive system.
Supportive how? Like helping workers, not replacing them.
Yeah, sort of. The key thing he points out is that these AI systems need to be trained. And who trains them? Experienced, skilled maritime workers. Their knowledge is crucial for the AI to learn and improve.
Ah, I see. So it's less about replacement, more about
Yeah,
augmentation, collaboration between the human expert and the AI tool.
exactly. It's about enhancing human capabilities, not eliminating them entirely. But, and this is crucial, getting that integration right.
Yeah.
It requires really well-coordinated collaboration, ship owners, tech companies, workers, ports. Everyone needs to be involved to make it work effectively and fairly.
Makes sense. It's not just plug and play. So reflecting on all this,
Yeah.
it's quite a transformation.
It really is. From the drawing board with AI-driven design
Yeah.
to smarter shipyards, deep-sea exploration with minimal impact, optimized navigation saving fuel and preventing accidents, even better weather forecasting. AI is touching almost every aspect.
An incredible multifaceted impact.
Yeah. And remember, this isn't just academic. This affects global trade, how we get our goods. It affects environmental protection, safety at sea. It's fundamentally important.
Absolutely. So maybe something for you, our listeners, to think about. Given how AI is reshaping something as old and massive as maritime, what other historically grown industries might be quietly going through their own AI revolution right now?
Yeah. And what kind of unexpected challenges or maybe opportunities could pop up there?
Food for thought. We'll leave it there for this deep dive.